Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com, making this a small video about gold. So let's get started here. I will start with my monthly chart I made on October 15th. This is the Elliott wave count, and I'm not showing here. Let me show you the live chart here. So this is the monthly chart where we ended the big wave 3 here on a monthly chart, and then wave 4 on a monthly chart, and then we're supposed to go for wave 5. Out of that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this wave, small wave 5 of this wave 5 should be going to the upside. And this is, so it started from when, let me show you here. You see, we were here when I said, okay, wave 4 should be ending here, and then we should be going for wave 5, right? This is a bigger picture. You see this big wave 3, 4, 5, and then we need to go for wave 5 of wave 5. So what happened? This thing start to go to the upside. Let's watch this. Now this, you can see sideway correction, wave 3, and this is wave 4, but wave 4 came in A, B, C fashion, which is usually it comes like this, A, B, C, right? And after that, wave 5, it goes above wave 3. Wave 5 goes above wave 3. So yeah, we're supposed to be going there. So what happened here from this wave 4, we started to go up. Here we hit 1920, and I said we're going to drop to 1802 before continue going to the upside. So that's exactly what happened. And then we started go and then hit this band and then drop. So I said we're going to drop to 1877 and then continue go to the upside. So 1877 came, and I said, well, we're going to be going to the upside from here again to fulfill this requirement of wave 5. And this bounces, let me show you here, wave 5. Let me see where it is. Okay, now, all right, so so far this wave 5 already here. I mean, so now I changed it. This 5 may be coming in as 3 waves, A, B, C, because I don't count here 3 waves. So that happens a lot of times, that wave 5 end up as 3 waves. So this is ABC-A, then ABC-B, and now we are going back up again to fulfill this requirement here for wave C and wave 5 of wave bigger 5, right? So bigger wave 5. So now the first target was 1959, this high here. And of course, when we start going to the upside, we go like this phenomena here, 5 wave up, 3 wave down, correction, something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with an ABC. So we needed this wave 1 and wave 2, and then wave 3, and then wave 4, and then wave 5, bouncing from 1877, right? So 1877, I said we're going to bounce. Look for a bounce above 1877. So what came next is this. See this 1877? So we were here, and then we started to bounce. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I said somewhere here we're going to finish wave 5, or wave 1, wave 5, and wave 1. And then we will drop for wave 2, then followed by wave 3, 4, 5 to the upside. Right? So what happened? This wave 1 and 2, it came like this, not this. Not this. Where the heck it go? It came like this. See, wave 1, 2, and then 3 was underway here in this chart. Out of that, we have wave 1 and 2. Now, previous chart showing that I made an entry here, and then I made an entry here. Let me show you. This was my first entry, and it went bad because it came back. I was sitting on break-even plus, and it came down and then hit my SL. And then the second entry from 1917, I took it to 1937, and we ended up like this. So this is what the chart was, the wave 1 and 2, and then wave 3 was underway, where we have this wave 1 and 2 already done. Then wave 3 started, like this one, 1, 2, and then wave 3 started, right? So this is wave 3 starting. Now, what happened to this? Let's go take a look. See this one. I made this chart on the 30th, saying that this is wave 1, 2. Somewhere here, we're going to finish wave 3, and then drop for wave 4, and then go up for wave 5. to finish wave 3 of this black count. So now watch what happened. We hit this wave 3 here, finish the wave 3 here, and then we drop today, Friday. We drop here for wave 4, right? So we are just above 1932. So that's where I made another chart today, Friday, September 1st, that now from here on, somewhere here, we're going to go up, make this wave 5, finish up this black count of wave 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we'll come wave 4 again into this area, right? I don't know if I have any. Yeah, okay. Now, this chart I will show you later, but let me show you something that what's happening here. Wave 4 and wave 5 black count, and after that, what will come here on a 40-minute chart is this. Okay, wave 4 should be coming here. All right. Now, what I want to show you here that what happened in between. See this small counts here? What are they? You already saw this wave 1, 2, 3, 4 blue count, but let me show you on a smaller time frame how it was done. Now this is the blue count. Wave 1, 2, 3, and then 4 is finished. And I made the chart today that we're gonna go up for wave 5 to this area here, 1959, right? Which is right here. Okay, so 1959. We will end up here eventually, hopefully, right? So now, if you notice that even this blue count, wave 3, also had 5 clear waves. 1, 2, 3, then wave 4, then wave 5. Then comes A, B, C correction for wave 4, and we're gonna go up for wave 5, finishing up wave 5, and that would be the end of wave 3 black count. Now the beauty is that, look, wave 3, if I show you here, the measurement of wave 3 on my chart, these charts I made were like 10, 12 years ago. So this is the chart that I made, for example, for wave 3, you see this, it says calculation for FE's, wave 3 is equal to what? 161% of wave 1. So if you measure this from here to here, when 161 for wave 3 is coming to 1958, and we have a weekly high of 1959. So that is the eventual target, right? But notice that we had this also wave 1 and 2, the blue count I'm talking about. Now, if you put the fib on this is the 16 one, right? Now, what about this blue count? So we're going to go on the 20-minute chart and see what happens. So now see this blue count. If I put the fib here, this, and bring this thing down away here, notice that blue count wave 3 hit 161. Exactly 161. And that is the calculation, the official calculation for wave 3. Now, another beautiful thing is that this wave 3, blue count, also have 5 waves in it, right? 1, 2, black count, black small count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you measure this wave 1 and 2, and then wave 3, let's see how much is that. Wave 3 is, this count, wave 3 came and hit exactly what? 1.61. I messed up a little bit. Yeah. So you see, okay. See, 1.61 it is right there. So wave 3 went and then hit 1.61. Actually, a level above 178. Remember the extension level of 161 and 178. So yeah. So see how accurate is this? This thing, gold, is following this Elliott wave like by the book. And wave within wave, within wave, and within wave. So this was wave 3 of this wave 3 of that bigger black count wave 3. I hope you understand. All right. So this wave 3, so that we have blue count, and then from here to here, this wave 3, and then there was wave 3, this one. So this is wave 3, then wave 3, then this wave 3. And we finally finished that, and we drop for wave 4. Now, even wave 4 is usually, let's see, wave 4 is usually how much? You see here, not here, and I'm mentioning that. See here, this wave 4 is 38%, right? So if you go back and then you take a look at these, see this black count, blue count, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let me measure the wave 4 here, retracement tool, and you notice that wave 4 is exactly bouncing from 38%. So that is confirmed wave 4. Even this wave 4 is from here is 38%. So everything is perfectly calculated in by the book. So that's why I think very strongly that when the market opens up on Monday, you're going to be bouncing from here. Target is 1959. And this is what I'm telling, the target is from like 3 weeks ago, 1959. After that, we will drop for wave 4 here to probably this area, because we need 38% of wave 3. So that wave 3 of this black count would be from here to all the way 1959. Then you notice that 38%, actually 50% is coming exactly here, 1952. That is fine, 38% or a little bit more, 50% as long as it is above wave A is just fine. So this target would be for wave 4, or maybe around 38%, hit the TL and then it bounced, right? So first we're going to go up, then you're going to drop for wave 4, maybe in 3 waves, A, B, C. Then we will go for wave 5, God knows where, right? So that later on I will see and do the calculation. But first thing first, we have to deal with finish with this wave 3, then go for wave 4, and then we will worry about wave 5 and see where it comes. Wave 5 usually is 0.618 to 0.786 off wave 3. So we will see, right? Or usually it is equal to wave 1, which is this, right? So this is how it is. Wave 4 is finished so far, I think. And if we bounce, it can drop. I'm not saying that it's not, but I have my entry chart, so I will make sure that I will get in using my system, and you know how it is, right? The entry that I took, this one, like here, you see this? I tried here long, and then I tried here, and I end up like 20 pip here, $20 here. So the 1917 to 1937, I took it, right? So that's how it is. This was also a very beautiful entry. This is the system, my system, the entry system, right? So I will wait for proper entry, and then I will get in maybe Monday or Tuesday, whenever this thing gives me an entry, right? So this is how the Elliott wave and gold is behaving right now, and I just wanted to share with you guys. If you like what you saw, you want to learn this, then go on my website and subscribe and start learning, right? And don't forget to sign up, subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get my videos early. I may make a couple of more videos over the weekend, weekly recap, and some other about the other indices, right? Nikkei and S&P 500, NASDAQ, and all of that, US 30. All right, so this is it for now, and you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.